I'm here today to give you a daily update on ASM. As you can see here, guys, no TA on the chart as of yet. Let's do some live TA. As you can see, pretty strong trend line in terms of resistance coming down from that zone. I would say potential for another very strong trend line coming through like so. As you can see, mass levels of support. Obviously not that much data coming through here, back starting on Coinbase in October, right? You can see symmetrical triangle chart pattern looking for some sort of breakout scenario here. Let's jump down to the shorter term time frame and see if we can get some sort of gauge into what is actually happening here. Overall, we are actually, as you can see, respecting this level of support. So if we can get over these called up moving averages here, I would expect a leg up. If not, we're probably going to break down and find resistance off this zone. In terms of a little price target for that, if you are looking to short this at all, you could be looking at getting down to around this 0.12 there. In terms of percentages there for a drop for this coin, probably looking at around an 8.6% drop if we do actually lose this chart pattern coming through. In terms of a progressive gain to the upside, if we are going to see us actually break out here, and you can see actually the momentum here, it's very strong when we do see a lot of buying power coming through there. The momentum is really quite strong when we do see this actually play out. So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for if we are going to see a breakout scenario for ASM there. I'm not really sure on the fundamentals behind this coin, but yeah, not too bad overall in terms of TA. Looking around a 10.92% gain there if that is going to come into fruition there. Obviously, guys, staggering take profits all the way up. Please don't just be going blindly for that 10%. You know the score. You're better off staggering your take profits, banking that profit as you go, rather than getting caught in a reversal and basically getting wrecked, right? And giving that money back, because we're not here to give it back. We're here to take and not give it back, right? So yeah, that's what I would say about ASM. Not looking too bad. Just a couple of scenarios to be looking out for there for the future. The RSI, it's looking pretty central as well, so there's plenty of movement for room there. If you are going to be shorting this, let's look at potential take profits for that. We're looking at one there, definitely another one. Another one there, definitely. You can see just in horizontal bounce points, very nice bounce points in terms of level of supports along this zone. So yeah, definite take profit point. You don't want to be riding this down, making all that money, and then you see a reversal, right, without taking profit, right? You're not about that life. We're here to make money. We're here to make money. But yeah, that's going to be your daily update today on ASM.